Hi everyone, Derek Zema here with another exciting episode on the Money Making Magic channel. Today, I will be showing you the Hamster Kombat daily trade combo cards to earn 5 million coins. Let's get started. Click on the daily combo button. Then for the first card, go to the market tab. Then the first tab is staking. Go ahead. Cool. First card is ready, don't stop. Now let's get the second card. Go to the legal tab. Cool. Now click on license Europe. That's the second card. License Europe. Go ahead. The second card is assembled, just a little bit late. Now let's go for the third card. Go to the specials tab. Quarterfinals are coming card. That's the third card. Click on it. Now go ahead. Cool. We have got the third card for 5 million coins. Take the prize. Good job, see you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.